Assalamu alaikum. Hello, I am Farjana Yasmin. Today I will just share with you 30 words pronunciation that I mispronounced. So I will try to pronounce these words correctly, though I am just learning the pronunciation every day. So let's get started. The first word is basic. So what will be the correct pronunciation? I used to say it basic before, but now basic. Basic. It's not basic, basic. The second one is fate. The most important remembrance in my life that I used to pronounce this word in my university level, fat. It's not fat. The word is fate. Fate. F-A-T-E. Fate. W-E-D-N-E-S-T-A-Y. W-E-D-N-E-S-T-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday. I mispronounced this. Wednesday. No, Wednesday. There'll be silent D sound. Wednesday. Wednesday. Can you pronounce this word? Plumber. Plumber. No B sound. Don't say plumber. 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 Teeny. No, tiny. Very small. Tiny. The correct pronunciation is tiny. I used to say teeny. My God. F-O-L-K. Is folk? No. Folk. Folk. Folk song. Folk. Today. 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 Don't say nation. 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 National. 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 Can you pronounce this word H-I-S-T-O-R-Y? It will be history. 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 But historical. So don't say history. It's history and historical. History. Historical. Attitude. Attitude. Don't say attitude. 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 Do you know the pronunciation of that word? It's acre. No, it's acre. 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 Ancient. It's ancient. Ancient. Can you pronounce it B-A-T-H-E? Bathe. 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 I used to say this word famous. No, it will be famous. Famous. He is a famous person. The word, what will be the pronunciation? Fuel. Fuel. No, don't say fuel. That I used to say. Fuel. Invitation. Invitation. Don't say invitation. Invitation. R-U-M-O-U-R. The correct pronunciation is rumor. 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 Vacancy. 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 The common is W-H-E-R-E. Just silent letter H. Where. Where. Like which. Just silent H. Which. Which. Can you pronounce this word? S-U-B-T-L-E. Subtle. Don't say B. Subtle. Subtle. So B will be mispronounced. Subtle. This is very easy pronunciation. M-A-K-E. We always used to say make. It's not make. You can say make. I can make a cake. Make. Are you pronouncing this word recitation? No. You have to say recitation. Recitation. The word is when. Just silent H. When. Don't say when. 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 The word is now bouquet. 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 That will be the pronunciation. R-O-G-U-E. Rogue. V-O-G-U-E. Vogue. And the last one is Tuesday. 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 So that's all for today, dear learners. I have tried to pronounce these 30 words correctly, and as I have already told you that I mispronounce those words. So as I am learning the pronunciation every day, you just try to learn some pronunciation from any apps. There are lots of apps in internet, or you can follow the dictionary and you can listen to podcast and then try to learn it. Thank you very much. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson.